इस्लामाबाद अपने नाजरीन को लिए चलेंगे। इस वक्त सेनेटर शहरी रहमान की जानिब से गुफ्तगू की जा रही है।
Living on their dockets, unresolved, it is awaiting a settlement based on the will of its people. I keep repeating that because that is something that bears repetition. The will of the people cannot be forgotten. And it is our job and our responsibility to remind people that when India calls whatever it has done by fiat and state force and coercion, what it calls a resolution, in fact, is annexation, attempted annexation by stealth. That is exactly what it is. If other countries do it, there is a furor. There is conflict, and there is conflict even now, make no mistake. But this is an attempted annexation by stealth. I keep on saying attempted because I do not accept this reality, and nor must you, nor must Pakistan. So, where do we stand today? New Delhi, it's being done very fast, very speedily. Laws have been changed, constitutional articles changed, and we have 35A, and we have a re-engineering, a demographic re-engineering, so that one fine day, very soon, the people who lived on that land,
कश्मीर के मौके पर सेनेटर शहरी रहमान की जानिब से तकरीब से खिताब किया जा रहा है।